This refrigerator diagnostic repair.
Good.
Yeah, it's a pretty old fridge. It's ancient.
Oh,
Ain't that old? What?
so
Let me see. This thing is 2009.
Oh, man.
It's,
Over 20 years.
it's almost a dinosaur.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wish he'd give me, if he give me one, I wish he'd give me a smaller one. I don't want no real.
Yeah, this big, right?
No,
Too big.
it's only me. I stay here by myself.
Oh, yeah.
I don't need no
Yeah,
big.
this is.
I
Yeah.
don't need no big ass refrigerator.
All right.
You know what I mean?
So.
Y'all gonna have a good Christmas.
Oh yes, ma'am. Absolutely, it's fixing to be.
Yeah.
All right, so taking a look at this fridge, I'm back here in the machine compartment. One of the things the resident told me was like she was just sitting there and she heard something go pshoo, like squirting out. So I know that's the sound of when the seal system is defective. So I come back here looking, and what do you know? Take a look at that. That is where. I don't know if you can see it, but right there. That's where it leaked out from. So what looks like happened was somehow this got pushed back against the wall just a little bit more, and it really kind of snapped that there. So that's what happened to that. So now this needs a seal system repair. It's a pretty old refrigerator. It won't even be worth it to even repair this thing. It's ancient. Not well maintained at all. Yeah, but broken seal system line, that needs to be replaced. The compressor been running with no coolant in it, which helps to cool the compressor. So you could better believe all the oil and stuff in the compressor is all burned up. So now this becomes also a contaminated system. So I would recommend replacing the compressor, capacitor start relay device, and recharging back up the system, which is not cheap at all. All right. You want me to unplug it because it's not cooling any?
No,
Just leave it alone. I'll leave it because you still got lights at least. Right. Yeah, but you really need a new fridge. I'm gonna tell the landlord.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've been staying here 5 years. You been here since-
Oh my goodness, you been here 5 years? Yeah. Yeah, this is a little old refrigerator here. Yeah, that needs to be replaced. All right, no problem, ma'am. I'm gonna let the landlord know what's going on, and
because I ain't had no refrigerator on week. I tested, but I was
Yeah.
trying to,
yeah, and it's right before Christmas too,
Yeah.
so I'm gonna let him know he needs to get on top of this real quick, real fast.
Okay.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.